Hello and welcome to another session with me. Today I want to talk about one of the important parts of math which you will use daily or even when you want to invest money, and it is about the difference between simple interest and compound interest. So, I would like to teach this part with one simple example which you can see on the screen. When you have $2,000 and you want to invest it with the rate of 2% each year. And I want to show you the difference between these two. For the simple interest, something that I want you to remember is that the interest, I want to call that I, is always fixed. And how can I find it? By writing 2% as it is our rate of 2000, which is my principal. So if you find the answer of 2% of 2000, you can simplify this 0 and 0, this 0 and 0. So 2 times 20 is $40. So each year you will add $40. So after 1 year, you will have 2000, which is your original money, plus $40. So you will have $2,040. After 2 years, you will have $2,040 plus another $40. As I told you, I is fixed. The amount of interest that you will get is fixed in simple interest. So you will get 2,080. Okay? After 3 years, you will have $2,080 plus 40. Again, if you add them, you will get $2,120. So if you invest your money with yearly rate of 2%, after 3 years, you will have $2,120. Let's take a look at compound interest. You have to remember that the total money that you will have is principal, which is the original money, plus I. I want to use this formula to find the amount of money after 1 year, then 2 years, then 3 years. So after 1 year, you have to find the interest. How? By writing first 2% of 2000. And if you add it to the original money that you have, it would be the total, right? Okay. So 2000 plus 2 over 100 times by 2000 would be $2,040 as we found in the previous part. But after 2 years, you have the same thing? No. The total would be, as I told you, principal. Now you have to change your amount of money to 2040. So they are trying to give you interest based on the previous year. 2040 plus 2% of 2040. If you find the answer of this one with your calculator, you will get $2,080.8. Okay? And then after 3 years, as I told you, look at the previous year. So your total would be 2080.8 plus 2 over 100 times by 2080.8, which is equal to $2,122.4. Now you can answer me this question. If you want to invest, which one do you choose?